Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall start from question number 40, that is the arithmetic on profit and loss. The question number 40 is like this: by selling 85 meters of cloth, I lose the selling price of 15 meters. Find the loss percentage. Let 8 meters of cloth cost how many? Let 8 meters of cloth, let 85 meters of cloth cost how many? 850. 15 meter cloth, each meter is equal to, each meter is equal to 10 rupees. Could understand? Each meter is equal to 10 rupees. So 85 meter means 150 rupees. So 15 meter means 150 rupees. That is what? Loss. 150 is loss. So CP is equal to what? CP is equal to 1000, 0, 550, 1000. Could understand? In 1000, loss is 150. Loss is 150. This is loss. This is CP. In 150 upon 1000, 1000. Then in 100% is equal to, that is in 100, that is 100. 100 to 0 cancel, 0 cancel, that is 15% loss. Correct alternative is, which is the correct alternative?
2.
Number 41. By selling 48 meters of cloth, a person gains the cost price of 12 meters. Find the gain percentage. By selling 48 meters of cloth, a person gains it cost price of 12 meters. So that is, let a cost price of 12 meter is 120. Let CP of 12 meter is equal to 120. That means meter is 10 rupees. Cost price of 85 meter is equal to CP of 48 is equal to 48 meter is equal to 480. So in 480 profit is equal to 120. In 1, that is 480. So in 100 into 100. You understand? 124 that, this is 480. 425 that. So profit percentage is how many? Tell me. Profit percentage is
25. Number 1.
Number
1.
Number 1. Which number I told? Number 1. Right? You hold it. How many? 25%. That is 2. 1. Yes. Yes. Question number 42. A chair was sold at a loss of 10%. If it was sold for 84 more, there would have been a gain of 4%. For how much was the chair sold? So, for example, let the CPBX was sold at a 10% loss. 10% loss means that is this SP is equal to 90x upon 100. Could you understand? As per the question, 90x upon 100 plus 84 is equal to 104x by 100. This is CP, this is CP. 4% gain. So implies that 100 90x plus 8400 is equal to 104x upon 100. Bottom 100 cancelled implies that 90x minus 104x is equal to minus 8400. Implies that 14x minus 14x is equal to 8400. Implies that x is equal to minus, this is also minus 8400 upon minus 14 is equal to how many? Tell me. Is equal to 600. What did I say?
600.
6. What is it? It is CP. This is a CP. So there is a 10% loss, you know. So that means 100 is equal to 90. 1 is equal to 100. 600 is equal to into 600. 00, 600. This is 00 cancel. 9, 6 is 54 and 0. That is 540. The rate is 540. Which is the correct answer?
Number 3.
Number 3 is the correct answer. What did I say? Number 3 is which number?
Number 42.
42. Yes, that is number 42. And correct
3.
answer is 3, right? Next one, 43. Number 43. An article is sold at 50% profit if its CP and SP are increased by 32 and RS 12 respectively. The percent of profit becomes 10. Find the cost price. Yes, it is also very easy thing, not difficult, so difficult. So suppose CP is only, let CP be X and 50% profit, that means SP is, this is CP, SP with 50% profit is equal to how many? 150x upon 100. Could you understand? 53 the 52 the, that is 3x upon 2. As per the question, so increase 32 in CP x plus 32 and increase 12 in the SP, that is 3x upon 2 plus 12. So SP minus CP is equal to your what? Profit percentage, 10% profit. So that is the SP is equal to 3x plus 3x upon 2 plus 12 minus, this is SP, minus x plus 32, this is CP, is equal to x plus 32 into 10 upon 100. Implies that LCM 2, 3x plus 24 minus minus x plus 32 implies that x plus 32 upon 10. 10. Okay, done. Now let's do it. Implies that 3x plus 22, right, minus 2 into x plus 32 is equal to upon 2 is equal to x plus 32 upon 10. 2 1 the 2 5 the. Implies that 5 into 3x plus 24 minus 2 into x plus 32, right, is equal to x plus 32. Right? Now let's do it. So, we will 5 here, 5 into 3x plus 24, right, minus 2x minus 64 is equal to x plus 32. Implies that 15x, right, plus 120 minus 10x minus 320 is equal to x plus 32. Implies that 10x minus 15x minus 10x will 5x. 5x plus minus 200 is equal to x plus 32. Implies that 5x minus x is equal to 32 plus 200. Implies that 4x is equal to 232. Therefore, x is equal to 332 upon 4. 4, 5 the, 4, 8 the. So, CP is equal to 58. Could understand it? So, right answer is, tell me, which is the right answer?
Number 1.
Number 1 is the right answer. Could understand it? Right? Next one is 44. 2 chairs and 3 tables cost 2 chairs. 2 chairs table cost 1025 and 3 chairs and 2 tables cost 1100. What is the difference between the cost price of one table and that of one chair? So what did I say? 2 tables. 2 tables plus how many chairs? 3 chairs is equal to 1025, right? Similarly,
2
3
chairs
chairs.
plus 3 tables.
2 chairs, okay. Just 1 minute. 2 chairs, right?
Also
And
2 tables.
3 tables.
3 tables.
Tables is equal to 1025. Right? Similarly, 3 chairs and how many tables?
2 tables.
2 tables
Cost.
is equal to 1100. Right? So, let's multiply the first one with 3 and the second one with first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2. Could understand? So let's multiply 2 3. We will multiply the first equation by 3. So 3 to the 6. 6 chairs C plus this one is 9 T is equal to 1025. Similarly, we will multiply this is the first equation, this is second equation. So we will multiply the second equation by 2, that is 6 chairs plus 4t is equal to 1100. So minus, this is 6 will be cancelled. So rest 9t minus 4t is equal to 5t. 5t is equal to, that is 5t is equal to 5t is equal to how many? Tell me. 1. Oh, sorry. We made a mistake. We multiplied the first equation by 3, so it should be 3075. And this one 2, because we multiplied. So now the is equal to 5. What did it say? 5.
5 da.
No 7. No 7. That is 5, 7, 8. Okay. So T is equal to 8, 7, 5 upon 5. 5, 1, the remainder 3, 7, 37, 5, 7, the remainder 2, 2, 5, 25. So that is one table is 175. Could understand? One table is 175. We will apply the value here. Could understand? Just we will apply just 1 minute. So what did I say? One table. This is one table is how many? 175. Here 3 tables. 3 tables means 175 into 3 is equal to 3 5 is the 15 5 here 1 3 7 the 21 plus 1 2 and yes 2 3 1 the 3 5. You understand it? 3 table is equal to 525. So 2 chairs plus 3 table is equal to 1025. That's into 2 chair plus 525 is equal to 1025. The 2 table chair is equal to 1025 minus 525 is equal to 500. So 1 chair is equal to 1 chair is equal to 500 upon 2 is equal to 250. Right? So 1 chair is 250, 1 table is 170. The difference is 250 minus 170 is equal to how many? 75. 70 or 75? Which is correct?
55.
75. So which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1 is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So here, just 1 minute. Okay. Next one is, tell me, which number? 45. Right? A man buys 20 pens and 16 books for 360. 20 pen P plus 16 boo for how many? B. That is B. So, 60 for 360. RS 360. He sells pens at a profit of 40% and books with a gain of 25%. For example, let yes, CP. This is CP. Let CP have 20 pencil is X. CP have 20 pencil is X. And CP have 16 book is 360 minus X. Could understand? So, he make a profit of 40%. What did I say? 40% profit he made. Could understand?
Appenda. Appenda.
Pen, this is pen. Yes, pen. Okay. So here, as per the question, 40% of, as per the question, 40% of X plus 25% of 40%, 40% of X plus 25% of what? 360 minus X is equal to 120. Implies that 40x upon 100 plus 25 into 360 minus 25x upon 100 is equal to 120. Implies that it's 100. 40x minus plus 25 0 the 25 25 6 the 150 0 here 15 here 25 3 the 75 15 900 90 sorry 90. So plus minus 25 x is equal to 120. You understand? Implies that 40x minus 25 is equal to 15x. 15x plus 9,000 is equal to 12,000. 120 into 100, that is 12,000. Implies that 15x is equal to 12,000 minus 9,000 is equal to 3,000. So x is equal to 3,000 upon 15 is equal to 200. You understand? So the one, this is x means 20 pence. X is equal to 20 pence. 20 pence is equal to how many? 200. 1 penny is equal to 200 upon 20 is equal to 10 rupees. Could you understand? So, what is asked over again? The CP of a penny is equal to just get how many? 10. That is number 4. Number 4 is the correct. Okay.